Stay till the end of the video. We're going to have a great personal story about those large channel locks and how I've had them for over 30 years. In today's video, we're going to go over channel locks, how they're used, and why they're such a great tool, and a little bit of history about the channel lock company. Channel lock actually got its name from its design of these channels that are right here in the plier. And we'll demonstrate now how you can just rotate this up and down and change the distance between here and here, so it makes it a very adjustable tool where you can grab anything from a 1/4 inch all the way up to 4 or 5 inches or more. The idea of channel locks is that they're very versatile because they're adjustable. So if you want to grab something very small, you can leave them in this fashion. And if not, if you open these and rotate this down, you can see you can go all the way to 4 inches, which makes it a very versatile tool. So here we're just going to demonstrate how we can just grab a small bolt with them in the last position, or we can open these, and this is a 4x4 or a 2x4, and we're able to crimp that with the same tool. To adjust these, you just open them and then rotate to the jaw to whatever size you need and then close them back. It makes it very fast, very easy. I use these a lot when I'm putting on trailer balls. They're really just fast to open up and grab the ball while you're hitting it with an impact. You can grab it by the collar and hold it and then hit that with an impact. It's kind of a neat tool to use for that. Channel Lock Company was created in 1886 and manufactured in Needville, Pennsylvania, where they still are currently being manufactured. So I just looked this up online, and Channel Lock still offers the same plier for $34. A made in America tool that's so versatile. For $34, you should have 2 sets. If you don't have a pair of channel locks in your toolbox, you need to get a set. Channel locks come in all different sizes, but this is a pair of 16-inch 160s. So if you're gonna get a pair, you might as well go big, baby. One thing I have noticed is the quality of the rubber that they put on these handles. This is a brand new set I just bought. This rubber right here on these handles are over 30 years old. The Channel Lock makes channel locks. They make wire cutters. They make wire crimpers. So, you know, check it out. The Channel Lock is a USA made, still made in America, proud to be an America company. So spend some of your USA dollars on a USA made tool that'll last you a lifetime. After doing our research, we found that Channel Lock is actually a 5th generation family owned business, and they actually build more than just channel locks. They build screwdrivers, they build pry bars, they build wrenches, so there's a lot of other products. Real quick story about the channel locks and how I acquired them. About 1990, I went through automotive program, 2-year program, got out of the program, was broke, couldn't even hardly afford to keep gas in my car. I went to the used tool store here in town. They had these for $15, and at the time I just didn't have the money. And I walked out, and my wife at the time went back that next Saturday and she purchased these for me for $15. I used these channel locks for a 30-year career and probably took off 90% of the oil filters with this pair of channel locks. With old tools come old stories, and with old stories, people learn from it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and like. We appreciate your subscription. Is Channel Lock a design, or is Channel Lock a name of a company? But the company that actually makes these is called Channel Lock. So it's a company name, and it's also a design of a tool. Bet you didn't know that, did you? If you enjoyed that video, go check out our video on how to restore old rusty tools right up there. Channel Lock, if you're watching, we're looking for sponsors.